This is Creative Fabrica design software, and I'm going to show you how to use it to make tumblers, Sublimation tumblers. So first click Studio AI and then scroll down to Design Now. And then you'll come to this page where you can put dimensions in. So for a 20-ounce skinny tumbler, we're going to do landscape first. We're in Australia, so we'll do centimeters. And the width will be 23.5 centimeters and the height is going to be 20.5 centimeters. And then create image. Once you've done that, you'll come to a screen, a page, a blank page, and on the top you can change the name where it says untitled. Whatever you want to name the project is what you name the project. So this is where we design. Okay, so on the left column, you've got a whole selection of features. You can do patterns, background, you've got text there, you've got AI, you've got a whole lot, you've got graphics. Okay, so now we'll look at patterns. Okay, so you just click patterns and already some images will come up. You can type in what you want. You can go to backgrounds. This is a selection of backgrounds that will pop up. Again, graphics, or you got AI as well, so this will all pop up. Yeah, so I'll give you an example. I'll show you an example of a design. We'll try a Halloween design. So what we'll do is we'll type in we'll go to backgrounds and then we'll type in Halloween at the top and then see what pops up. Okay, so now you should see a whole selection. I really like this orangey one, so I'm going to pick this. And this is my background, okay, for my tumbler. Now I want to add a graphic, so I'm going to put a witch on there. So I'm going to type in witch, see what pops up, look at the selection, and then I'm going to scroll down. See which one I like. Oh, I like this one. So I'm going to select this one, wait for it to upload. It's nearly there. Okay, there we go. So this is just a quick example. You can put as many graphics as you want. So this is a one, I really like this, so I'm going to put this in the middle. And it could be as simple as this if you want, for your Tumblr. Next I'm going to show you is AI. So with AI you have to be very specific. Very detailed with what you want in your picture. So for this example, I am going to choose to do one of pink ribbons. So I'm going to type in, for example, shiny pink ribbon pattern with a big ribbon in the center. And then I'm going to click enter and I'm going to see what it generates, yeah? So it'll come up with some pictures. If I don't like it, I can press enter again and it will generate some more images until I find what I like. So it's just loading and coming up with some, and I just keep looking. Eventually I find something that I like and I select it and I'll make that my background and my image, yeah? So just searching until I come up with something, and here we go. And I've titled it as well. So this is the image that I've gone with that I absolutely love. So I can save it, select the 3 lines on the top and click save. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the bottom left corner of the screen and type in snip so I can find the snipping tool. Select snipping tool. And I'm going to highlight, so click new, and I'm going to highlight this whole image. So select it all, select the image. Then I'm going to right click it and I'm going to copy it. Because now for good quality printing, I'm going to paste this image into Microsoft Word. I've already got the dimensions set. So for the tumbler. So I'm going to paste it into Microsoft Word, and then I'm going to select print. When I go into print, I want matte, high quality A4 paper. The paper that you use is sublimation paper. You want sublimation printer, Epson printer I have, and sublimation ink, special sublimation ink. Okay? So this was just a quick and easy guide example of how to design a simple tumbler. I'll go into more detail about printing in another video.